This is a video tutorial on how to use your Chirapsia Massage Gun. It's very simple. It does come with instructions, but you honestly don't need it. There are attachments that go onto the massage gun for different needs, different muscle groups, different parts of the body. And so I'm going to do this one-handed, but normally you use the massage ball, of course, and the fork, and then you have these other two. This is more for acupressure kind of application. The charger is here. This plugs right into the wall, and this plug actually goes just into the jack on the back of the massage gun. Now, on the back of the massage gun is the power button. This also is the mode button. This changes the speed levels, and each time you press it, it increases the speed until ultimately it comes back to off. So I'll demonstrate that just real quick. We're going to press the first button. You're going to see that a light lights up inside, and then we're going to press it again, and again, and again, and again. I mean, this thing is powerful, so yeah. And then one last one, and the last one here will go back to off position. And basically that's it. So you just put whichever attachment you want to use on the end of it, turn the power on, select whatever speed you want, and then apply it to the body.